This is my 53rd rescue attempt to date, so let's see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, you're a big kitty. Jake, you're a big kitty. Jake, don't go out there. Come on. Oh, that ain't good, Jake. That ain't good. Rescue number 53 for a couple hours now, and I cannot get Jake to come to me. He's out on that limb. Got a trap set up. I'm by myself, so I have no help. I got a tarp set up down there, but he's going to have to fall just right to land safely. Okay, Jake is finally down from the tree. I've been up there 2 hours trying to coax him into the trap. And he finally came, but he was way up this maple tree, way up there, and out on that limb. And he waited me out, and finally his owner had to come, and kind of sweet talk him into the trap. So that's what happened. We got him down though, didn't we, Jake?
Yeah,
okay.
We did. He's so hungry.
Cat Rescue 53.
Yeah. Huh?
Okay.
That is too tall.
Yeah.
Come here.
Well, Jake came down, had a little bite to eat, and he seems to be happy that he could come down.
Yes, I'm sure he is. Crazy guy.
If you had just come to me, we wouldn't have had all this problem.
Crazy. No, he is a sweet boy. He was just so scared. Silly cat.
Yeah.
I know.
I know it.
Tell him.
I know. Okay. You got it.
He's acting like